See, this dresser needs some work here. This drawer is all blown out here. Rails in there. See how it just drops? When I put the drawer back in, it's wobbling a little bit back and forth. See how it's doing that? But I do like that it's solid wood. That's a good point, a seller point. I'll get these drawers working all smooth and everything. Check out the bottom drawer. Same thing. Just falls out. Again, it's missing rubber grommet on the end here. The dresser is not as large or in good as condition as I thought. We already knew the drawers were going to be coming out. I'm at the seller's house right now, by the way, putting in my car. But look at the back. Again, this thing is hella beat up, man. But again, the hole's punched in there. But this rail is loose. I'm just gonna tighten it down, man. It looks like it's pretty simple. Just gonna tighten it down a little bit. We're behind the dresser. I'm actually gonna put some wood glue on this rail in the back. You can see it here. It is a little bit loose in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw it and glue it pretty much. Tight. Let's turn the rail around. See how it's worn right here in the front? We're going to turn it around. There, it's tight. Alright, just put both rails back on. Show you a quick tip on how to fix a sagging dresser drawer without spending any money. So you notice when this drawer opens right here, it comes straight out and all of a sudden it drops. Watch. See how it just drops? What's causing that is this right here. This rail right here. See back here how it's all nice and wide, but wear and tear on the upper part of it, closer to the drawer front, is wore out. So when you pull the drawer out, there's nothing to hold it, so the drawer flips up like this. What we're going to simply do is turn this rail around like that. It's still going to catch on the side. So we're going to fasten that, and then we'll show you what the drawer looks like when we pull it out next time. Now when we stick the drawer back in, we pull it out, it's not going to sag. See, it doesn't sag anymore because it's catching. When I put the drawer back in, it's wobbling a little bit back and forth. See how it's doing that? Basically what's causing that, a slider in this bottom. So what we do is get a little shim like this, like a paint stick or something, put it in there. I've already marked it, so I'm going to make 2 of those, and when the dresser drawer goes back in, it's not going to wobble. So I doubled up on the shims on these, on both these drawers, top and bottom, and this will help stabilize the drawers so it's not going to wobble back and forth. So let's go ahead and put the drawers back in. Completely stable now, both drawers, so it's not wobbling back and forth like it was. But I do like that it's solid wood. That's a good point, a seller point. I'll get these drawers working all smooth and everything. So it's binding up. Gonna put some lithium grease on the rails. Alright, lithium white grease on the rail and also on the bottom of the drawer. Just put it in there and it's gonna sound a lot better, I guarantee it. Woo! That did the trick, baby. White lithium grease on the rails. And a recap on the drawers, they all work beautiful. Man, look how quiet those are and smooth. Check out the bottom drawer. Same thing. Just falls out. Again, it's missing rubber grommet on the end here. So I took all the drawers out so you can kind of see what we're working with here. As you can see here, this is a good track right here. It's got the good fitting on the front here, this one here. But you notice the bottom 3 are basically damaged. This one's damaged, has to be replaced. That one's pretty much gone. And all the drawers are out right here, so you can see I've labeled them in the back, so I have no problem putting them in. Let's take these damaged sliders out. We're going to replace that. Okay, let's put a new track guide in. Brand new. It's perfect. Just push right in there. There we go. We're gonna need 4 more, actually 3 more. 3 more track guides. There, one there. Let's take this old track guide out. Place all the slide grommets on the 4 drawers down, including this part here and also the parts on the back of the drawers itself. They all fit in great and work wonderfully.